Hi everyone, this is Paola Mocano, and in this video I will show you how to download files from Panopto to your computer. I'm going on Blackboard. I choose Panopto video. I have to identify which video I want to download. I'm going to my folder, Beginner Panopto 11, and let's say I want to download this video. Go to Settings. In Settings, choose this option, Outputs, and now you can download your podcast. Open it or Show in Folder. I will choose Show in Folder. Was downloaded in this folder. If you want to move it, you know what you have to do. You can cut it or copy it, depends what you want, and then choose the file where you want to move it. I'm going to move it to desktop in this Panopto training, in this folder, on this one, give it a paste, and close everything. That's all. Thank you for watching.